Good morning. So this is the 765 Bluebird property. It's a 3-bedroom. I think it's a very good property. It's a good ocean view from every level. Here's actually 6 steps going to the main entry. Upstairs is the master bedroom. And goes to the closet, walk-in closet, and the bathroom. Here's the shower. There's a little runaway. Okay, goes to the master bedroom. Here's the bedroom. Nice flooring. Here is the view of the master bedroom. Nice ocean view. There's nothing in front that can block our view. On the right corner, or basically the west corner, there are some trees. But in front, or the
show, if you want to turn this on, this button.
Okay, here's the jacuzzi for it. Here is the basically east hill, which is the Bluebird Canyon hill. Going inside again. Going towards living room. Here's the dining room with the kitchen next to it. The fridge. Appliances are a little old. Kitchen has a very good view. Here's the front deck. This is the living room, by the way, with the fireplace and little bathroom. Here's the living room. Going to the front deck, they all have ocean view. Here's the jacuzzi we were watching from upstairs. Very nice cozy corner jacuzzi or barbecue. I go to, let me open, it's locked. So this is one of the bedroom, ocean view again. So let's go towards the living room. Hi. Hi. Here's the 2 bedrooms downstairs. Here is one, which this is the door goes to outside also. Here is basically second bathroom, which is kind of shared with the next bedroom, but it has 2 faucets, so it can be separated. Basically these bathrooms can be separated. And this is the 3rd bedroom. It's a little dark and it has its own closet right here. So this is the 3rd bedroom. Right in front is the 2nd bedroom right there. Here's the washer and dryer. Goes again to the living room. Thank you.